Okay, hi, good morning everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm calling from Goa and India, okay? And I'm going to be teaching you how to play the F major chord. Okay, first things first, it's a tough chord, so you listen to me very carefully, okay? Now, you'll be placing your first finger, okay? Now, this is how the F major chord is going to be looking like, yeah? You got to place your first finger on the first two strings over here, the first string and the second string. Now, this is where it's a bit complicated. To play this, it's a bit tough, okay? And you're going to be sounding probably like this because you have not developed your strength of the finger yet, okay? So this is going to be taking you a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 4 weeks depending upon you basically, okay? So every person is different. It might take you a week or 2 weeks, but definitely around 2 weeks or a month to get this. So what I would say is that you place your two fingers over here, one finger on the two strings, play it for some time. Just that. You need to develop your strength. Okay, now this is the best way I can teach you how to play the F major chord. I teach my students and everybody gets it in a month's time, basically. Okay, so the main thing is that you have to develop your strength. You just can't play this chord on your first attempt. You just can't. Okay, if you are a beginner, you just can't. I don't think so. You can. Hey, you're a prodigy. Alright, so the F major chord. Okay, first thing first, first finger on this. So play it for some time, right? I mean 1, 2, 3 days. You keep on playing that, Develop your strength. 3, 4. And you count as well as while you're playing this, okay? You count in bars. So you're playing one bar. So one bar is 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've got a mosquito here. Hang on. Can I kill this on YouTube? Okay. Maybe not. Might be sued or something. Okay. Now that's your F major chord. What you've done is the first thing, your first finger, right? Play it for a couple of times. Okay. You might sound like this or like that. It's okay. It's okay. You're just learning. Okay. So you're gonna get it. What I'm telling you is that you're gonna get it in a week's time, 2 weeks time, or 3 weeks time. Okay, a month's time tops. But you'll learn how to play the F major chord with the other musicians of the world. Okay, finally, right? If this has been tough for you, second finger is easy finger. Your second finger goes on the third string over there on the second fret. Okay, and then you play those 3 strings together. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Yes, it's gonna hurt as hell. Believe me. Okay. So a small story for you guys. When I was starting out at the age of 10, I think my teacher taught me the F major chord like initially. And back then in the 80s, like we had guitars that were not as today's standards. Today's standard guitars are like beautiful. Okay, you can just play it when you get the guitar and it's soft. Okay, it's not that soft, but it is softer to what we used to get in the 80s. So like that thing back in the 80s for me, like I used to literally like my hands used to be red. Okay, because when you're playing the first F major chord and like he said, my teacher was saying like dig deep into it, like play, just play. The 80s for you. Okay, we are 2023 and we got different teachers, guys, and we are softer. Okay, so we've got a lot of encouragement for you guys. But coming back to it, play the first 3 strings together. 1, 2, 3, 4. First bar, second bar, 2, 3, 4. Third bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can stop. Okay, now do this like many times till you feel that you're getting the sound coming up, right? The third finger is going to be on the 4th string. Okay, right? Over here. Or you can put your third finger over here on the 5th string. Okay, let's do that actually, like because this is the F chord. What I'm going to be showing you is basically this, the normal way of playing the F major chord, right? Technically, it's F major chord over a C, right? Or C over an F. Okay. F/C, right? Okay. Very good. Hang on. Okay. F F major chord. Okay, so what you can do is that now for a total beginner, try just playing these. Oh, here's your fourth finger. Let's go over there now. Okay, so forget about the fifth string. Start playing only on the fourth string with your third finger and play that. 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna be sounding like this. That's okay. Okay, that's how I sounded at the age of 10. Okay, but then I persisted with it. There was no YouTube, there was nothing else, just me and my guitar playing on my bed in Kuwait. Alright, so beautiful place over there. I miss it, but in Goa now, which is paradise. So you guys are coming over here, like give me a shout out, okay? Maybe you could have a bhaji or something in Goa. Right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, I've been playing this, of course. I haven't told you to practice, play along with me. Now, play along with me, okay? So, we're going to be playing 4 bars, right? Now, this is what you have to do, like, every single day to get a chord, F major chord, right? That this is a toughest chord, right? If you are a beginner, and if you are a beginner watching this video, just listen to me, okay? You'll get this chord in a month's time. Month is very short, okay? So the months just are going like that, okay? And of course, this rain's about, I think so you guys mostly in the house, practice this like you can practice for 5-10 minutes every day, 15 minutes, depending upon you guys, okay? So it all depends about where you want to see yourself, how fast you want to be learning it, and then you put in the hours or the minutes, everything like that. Here we go. So last time, you know where to place the fingers. Your first over here, second is on the third string, second fret, third is on the third fret, fourth string, and you strum every time, daily, 15-20 minutes. Even 5 minutes would do, but do it every day for a month, okay? And you'll be able to play the F major chord. You'll be satisfied saying like, yeah, I'm in the F major chord circle of music. Fine, let's go. F major chord for you. Last time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. One bar. Second bar. 2, 3, 4. Third bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay. Now, if you've learned the F major chord and you want to ask me anything else, please do. But I'll be sending more chords that are a bit tough. Probably the minor chords, which is got like in the next video. Okay, in the next video. Follow my videos, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be learning chords, the most difficult chords. I'll give a bit of explanation about those chords also, right? Okay, as we start this journey about learning the guitar. Stick with me, and you'll be learning so fast that you'll be so glad that you came over here. Alright. So anyway, like, hope you guys are doing fine in the rains. Keep safe, stay safe, and like have a nice day. Bye bye, and see you guys. Signing off.